Today we're going to be checking out a outdoor, portable volleyball net system. This set includes everything you need for a fun and competitive game of volleyball, whether you're playing on the beach, in your backyard, or at a park. Getting right into it, first, let's talk about the instructions. The sheet includes everything you need to know about the volleyball set, including what comes in the box, how to set up the volleyball net, and even the rules to play a game of volleyball. Next up, this set includes 6 poles made of a lightweight aluminum, which makes them effortless to put together and take apart. They're designed to easily connect to each other with a simple clicking mechanism. There are 3 holes on 2 of the poles that can be used to modify the height of the volleyball net by shifting the eye hook into different positions. By adjusting the eye hook, the net can be set up to 3 distinct heights: 7 feet 4 inches, 7 feet and 8 inches, and 8 feet. The net measures 32 feet in length and 3 feet in width. It's designed to be tough and can withstand hard hits as it's made of a sturdy nylon material. The net also has a thickness of 1.4 inches at the top and bottom edges to provide additional durability. It also has 2 guide ropes along with 4 stakes and a rubber mallet to secure the poles firmly to the ground. To mark the boundaries of the court, the set includes a spool with the boundary line. No volleyball set would be complete without the official size volleyball and a pump to inflate it. And to make things easier to carry, it also comes with a nylon duffel bag. Now that we know what's included, let's see how easy it is to set up. The entire setup should take about 10 minutes to complete, and you'll want to have at least 2 people for the setup, as you'll need someone to hold the opposite side pole while the second pole is being anchored. To start the setup, first lay the net across the ground, and insert the top and middle poles through the top of the net's pole insert. Once both poles are connected, raise one end and anchor down the guide ropes. Then proceed to get the other side raised and anchored as well. Next, do some minor adjustments, which include adjusting the guide ropes and using the mallet to adjust the poles. This will ensure that the net is at the correct height and tension. Getting the boundary line set is straightforward, and in order to tell the midway point of the lines, they've wrapped the midsection with what seems to be electrical tape. And that's it. Now you have a fully functional volleyball court setup. In general, this portable setup appears to be an excellent option for taking on the go. It's effortless to set up and remains sturdy even in windy conditions and with the balls hitting the net. If you want to know more about this product or have any questions, feel free to leave a message in the comments section and check the description for product links. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.